Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. So we can use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to s squared. Now we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have the u equals to 2s ds dv, that is about cosine as ds. So the integration of this one, we have v equals to 1 over 8 sine 8s. So we have u multiplied by v, and we have s squared over 8 sine 8s minus we have the u multiplied by v, so number 2 divided by 8, we have 1 over 4. And now we have the integration s sine 8s ds. Now we can use about integration by parts again, and this one that is about s. Now if we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have the u equals to the s, this one that is about sine 8s. The integration of this one, we have negative 1 over 8 cosine 8s. So this one, we have u multiplied by v, and that's about s, a negative 1 over 8 s cosine 8s minus we have the u multiplied by v, so negative 1 over 8 with negative gone here, and we have positive 1 over 8. And now we have the integration cosine as ds. So the integration of this one, we have 1 over 8 sine 8s, and I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.